Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. So today I have another hair video for you guys, and I'm going to be just telling you a little bit about this hair that I have from Ghair. So I have from Ghair their loose deep wave bundles along with a lace frontal. The hair was actually coloured by Courtney Daniella. It was also constructed and installed by her as well at her lovely studio in North London. I'll be talking you guys through what she did. Very simple steps. Sadly I can't show you guys how she coloured the hair, but I will just be talking you through a few of the steps she took to install this wig for me.
Oh, my baby girl. Yes, no, hurt me so good.
So I sent my measurements to Courtney and she made this wig for me. So here we're just trying it on for size and making sure it fits ear to ear and it sits snug on my head. So here Courtney is using some Got To Be gel and she's just using this on my hairline where she's going to lay the lace frontal down.
Baby boy, you stay on my mind.
She's then going to go ahead and use the Got To Be freeze spray. This is also going to add some extra hold to the lace frontal. So here Courtney is using a really small pair of scissors just to trim the lace around the edges. Now she's going to go ahead and tidy up the edges.
Olha só, preste atenção. É só catucadão, 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 catucadão. É só catucadão, catucadão, catucadão. Olha só, preste atenção. É só catucadão, 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 catucadão.
Courtney used some mousse on the hair just to help activate the curls a little bit more.
Cheio de disposição, mas é eu que vou escolher a melhor posição. É só tu ficar de quatro pra tu ver o que é bom. Olha só, é só catucadão, catucadão, catucadão. É só catucadão, catucadão, catucadão.
Although Courtney went ahead and bleached these bundles twice just to get the sort of highlighted and multi-tonal effect, the hair is still curly and it's still soft and it's still really nice and bouncy. It hasn't shed or anything like that, so that's also good to know. Especially when you've put some chemicals on the hair, you want to make sure that the hair can go back to being nice and luscious. Of course, retain its curl pattern. And if you have watched my recent Bali vlog, I'm sure you've spotted this wig there already. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys really soon. Bye!